Howdy y'all, I am at the Brazos River, falls on the Brazos, south of Waco. It is so swift and deep, wide, got a heck of a current. It is definitely up wide, deep, and swift. Look at all that debris, that one pillar. But under the bridge, there's all these birds. They're not bats. I believe they're martins. I know martins like bridges, or purple martins, whatever. I guess they're martins. Flying all over the place, but you can see them under the bridge. They're stuck to the bridge and just flying in and out of there. All underneath that ledge of that bridge is these birds. That dark line you see, there's birds all through there. You can see them flying. I'm gonna guess that they're martins. So we've had a lot of rain the last few weeks in the state. I know it's huge, but all across the state there's been severe flooding, tornadoes, wind damage, a lot of rescues of humans and animals. Earlier I was at Lake Limestone, and I was by the Navasoto River. Again, this is the Brazos River. And my first time here, that water tower over there is prison. Look at that. Right there. I went past it. That's a prison, where that tower is. Right there. Not sure the name of the prison, but it's a prison. Seen all the barbed wire and all the buildings and the guard tower. So this is a great spot for the Brazos River. There's not a lot of spots you can really get out and see it, or picnic, or camp, or walk or hike around it. And this is one of them. I wanted to get out and see some of the high water from the recent rains and storms. And this is wicked. Normally it'd be not as wide and not as swift. It's been shallower for sure.